Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair gained 0.9% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 3% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.2%. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair gained 0.6% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Domestic gold prices rebounded from initial losses amid choppy trade tracing gains in global benchmarks and domestic equities. Investors globally kept an eye out for any further rate hike by central banks to tame high inflation. The pound rose against the US dollar as hawkish comments from Bank of England policymakers continued to support the currency, with an equity rally also helping risk-sensitive sterling. Since recovering from a Saturday current year low, XRP has underperformed the broader market. Uncertainty over the SEC versus Ripple case has tested support.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's Consumer Price Index will be released at 0600 hours GMT, Japan's foreign bond investment at 2350 GMT, the Dutch Consumer Confidence Adjustment at 0430 GMT. The US MBA mortgage applications will be released at 1100 hours GMT, the UK's Core Consumer Price Index at 0600 GMT, Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.